I've told this time and time again. I have not taken a single DSA or course.
और वो जो कॉम्पिटिटिव कोडिंग
मैं कभी ट्राई भी नहीं किया. आई एम नॉट इवन इंटरेस्टेड इन डूइंग इट. मेरे को कुछ कोड नहीं करना वहाँ पे, बिकॉज एंड आई नेवर फेल्ट कि माई लैक ऑफ नॉलेज देयर हैज बीन अ रोड ब्लॉक टू मी इन बेसिकली बिल्डिंग एनीथिंग. I never felt
what
it.
do DSA guys actually do though? Like for someone like me, I don't know क्या कर रहे हो, क्या सीखते हैं वो लोग.
DSA is basically like you have a problem, and that problem you have to solve it with code. It's like a
what kind of a problem? Like if they're doing it कहीं काम आ रहा होगा ना, मतलब वैसे problems real world में नहीं आते क्या, या फिर आते हैं?
नहीं आते. They do appear, but they do appear whenever you are building something. So there's like product में there's levels of, because there should not be, but there are. Unfortunately, there are levels to how you'd build a particular product, right?
Yeah.
Starting with, you'd build an MVP, which is a minimal viable product.
Yeah.
And then you go ahead and you improve the MVP, improve performance. Then you go ahead one level up, keep on improving. So level हो जाता है, and then you reach a point where the product has not changed for, let's say, the past 2 years, but you're still optimizing for the millions of people or billions of people who would be using it, right? And that is the part where having DSA knowledge or having understanding algorithms very deeply, even better than AI, might help. Right,
okay.
And that is a part, because if you can save, you can just like scrape off, let's say, a couple of milliseconds, just a couple of milliseconds from a particular algorithm, you are potentially making it 10 times more responsive for the end user. Right? There are situations like this, जहाँ पे if you can do that, the user feels like कितना मस्त कर दिया ये. Right? So the outcome is very huge for a very small minute change. Those are the places where DSA is absolutely useful.
Okay.
Right? And only I would say it is useful right now in this world is if it is a very new situation जहाँ पे we don't have a lot of idea कि कैसे काम कर रहे हैं, या not a lot of details. Because every other situation जहाँ पे मुझे MVP बनाया, or maybe let's say I have to let me give an example, real world example लेता हूँ. Discord handles lot of data, बहुत सारा data जाता है वहाँ पे, like people are typing chats, voice chat चल रहा है वहाँ पे, वो सब चल रहा है. If you were to build something like Discord, you can build it with Node.js, you can build it with MongoDB and stuff, whatever. No, it's very simple. I think Discord used something Cassandra or something use करते थे वो लोग पहले. They had to change their database to SkylarDB or something. Right? उनको database change करना पड़ा. That is to handle a very like specific situation जहाँ पे you have, I don't know, hundreds of millions of users all typing chats. And all of those going back and forth in the database millions of times in a second. To handle all those situations, they had to upgrade the DB and change the backend जिसमें भी लिखा है, coding language में लिखा है. I think they're using Elixir or something. I don't know, not sure.